您代表的新闻机构。
方面现在已经展开了哪些合作？
Although we do not yet know the source of infection for certain, at this time there is no evidence of sustained human-to-human transmission. The family cluster raises the possibility of human-to-human transmission, but 2 of the cases in that cluster have not been laboratory confirmed. And there's no other evidence pointing towards sustained transmission among people.
Can it develop into a severe situation such as SARS or H1N1?
There's been some speculation that there could be a link between the deaths of thousands of pigs in eastern China, influenza in birds, and the human cases. However, the deaths in pigs in the Huangpu River may be caused by many factors. We have not yet connected the pig deaths to human cases of influenza. And we're very satisfied and pleased with that level of information sharing. And we believe that we've been kept fully up to date on the situation.
流感的疫情，当时是否有人传人的感染？那么通过对这些疫情。